What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another episode of Fishing the 410. Today is kind of a Hail Mary. It's really crappy weather here in Maryland. We've had a bunch of rainstorms coming through from the hurricane and stuff like that. And I found a little break in it today. You can kind of see it's super overcast. I'm in one of my little favorite ponds today, real small. Didn't want to get on any big water because I didn't want to risk it. Hopefully these big girls want to play today. Last time I was here, I was only catching little ones. So let's see what happens. It's a little chilly out here today. I want to say the temperatures were probably around low 70s, high 60s. It's a little wind. Water feels like it's in the 70s. Came here last week. All the fish are pushed up in the pads. So right now I'm kind of working my way up the bank trying to find any stragglers over here. I'm going to work my way to the other side and work some of these pads. Ooh, just had a bite right there. Fish was swimming with it. Felt little. So now I'm hitting the pads. I'm really trying to hit every big spot I see that's open that has potential to be holding a fish. And what I'm doing is kind of bouncing this pit boss in the holes and then kind of reeling it out. Sometimes at this pond, right when you get to the edge line, if you're reeling a bait, they really, really want it. 30 minutes of fishing, 2 bites. I missed both of them on hook sets. The second one felt good. First one definitely was small. Wind's holding off for now, and it's not too rainy. Wow. I almost lost my rod there, guys. That was a fail and a half. Not in this one. That was terrible. Well, there's the first fish of the day. How did I catch this fish? Look. Outside the mouth. Not what I'm looking for. I need something a little bigger. For sure. Found the only wood in the lake, or I know where it is. I came over to it. Popped it over a log. And he gulped it. Oh. Something had it and I missed it. It didn't feel particularly big, but the same thing I did with that last fish. Brought it over the log of this tree. I let it sink. Another little one. So, hour and 20 minutes. 2 fish in the boat. I missed a couple. Big girls don't seem like they're biting the Kitech. I'm going to give it a little bit more stretch of this bank right here. And then I'm going to tie on it. I think I'm going to tie on a big jig and maybe throw this topwater around. Oh, come on, Big Mama, where you at? I know Big Mama's in here somewhere. This was a little nicer. This was definitely a little bit nicer. Holy crap. Got the camera all wet and everything. Oh God, and the hook popped out. Look. Hook popped out. There's always a nice fish here. There's always a nice fish here. Look at this. Chunker. Oh, look at the mouth on this one. Nom 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 nom. I don't have my scale, I lost it. I just bought that new scale, I don't know where it is, but 3.5, 4 all day. All day, man. Awesome looking fish. Let's get a release on this girl. Look at this thing. She's definitely 4. That's a nice fish. You ready, girl? Well, that was certainly a nice fish. That's definitely what I came here to catch today. I know there's a bunch of them in here. Hopefully they're right in this area. This is, here, I'll show you guys. This is where I caught that fish. Right in the corner, right behind me, right on this edge of this pad line. The wind is coming this way. I'm facing the wind. I just pulled my Kitech through these weeds right here behind me. And he just smashed around the edge. Twitch, let it fall back down. Saw my line jump, felt the tension, set it, and I mean, I felt that was a nice fish from the second I hooked him. I've only ever caught 1 or 2 fish that big out of here. That was cool. Popped it over a tree limb. He smashed it. Pretty looking fish. Nope, not gut hooked. Awesome. Little one. So now that's 3 or 4 fish off of these little points of bushes that come out on this pond. All of them with the weightless Kitech too. So next plan of action here is to just kind of hit these points pretty good and cruise around this pond maybe 1 or 2 more times, hitting the points. See if another one of those big girls is home. I'm gonna make one more lap around. I'm probably gonna get out of here. I'm pretty happy. That was a nice fish for this pond this time of year. I mean, it's been a cold front for the past 4 or 5 days. This is the first day where it's not raining at all, really, in the last 4 or 5. That's probably the biggest fish I've caught in about a month. Just started a new job. For the last year I've been doing electrical work, helping out, you know, stuff like that. But for the last 15 years before that, I've been a chef, been a cook, been in kitchens my whole life since high school. And I finally got back into it. And what that means for the channel is, I don't know how often I'm going to be able to post. I was posting, you know, 2 or 3 videos a week there for a while. That's because I wasn't working a lot. I was, you know, getting off early and going fishing. But now I'm working, you know, 50 hours a week in the kitchen. My fishing time is going to get cut down a lot, which hopefully won't affect the videos too much. I'm going to try to still put out 2 videos a week. Get out here on days like this when the weather's not great. Still try to make a video for you guys, catch some fish. So that's why I haven't really been posting anything recently. I've not really had the time to fish, working 10-hour days, getting off when it's pitch black out. Well, as is tradition, as soon as I turn the camera off, I catch another one. This one's definitely a little bit bigger than the last one. I'm definitely going to say right now that this is the biggest fish I've caught in this pond. Look at this thing. This is a tank. This fish is a nice fish. Same exact spot I caught that last nice one today. Insane, dude. This is another probably 4, probably a little over 4. I mean, I don't have a scale on me, but it's a nice fish. One last look at the second nice fish of the day. Come on, girl. All right. As much as I hate to do it after that nice fish, I think I really got to go. I'm going to cast at this little spot one more time. Well, like 5 more times. But I need to get out of here. The wind's starting to pick up. I can maybe hear some thunder. I don't know if it's thunder or a big truck or something in the distance, but I think it's time for me to get out of here after that.